Is the ASUS TUF AS2000 Plus the indestructible SSD gamers crave? Ever felt like your portable SSD is a fragile snowflake, crumbling under a backpack bump or choking on game transfers? You're mid-tournament and poof, data disaster strikes, leaving you fuming and frozen. If this chaos rings true, spill your toughest gear horror in the comments. Let's geek out on how the ASUS TUF Gaming AS2000 Plus flips frustration into fearless flow. Ramp it up. Deadlines ambush like RAID bosses. Stress simmers from throttling heat and lost files. Burnout crashes harder than a dropped drive. Pure agony in every laggy backup. What if you could command 2,000 megabytes per second USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 power without the meltdown? Envision unbreakable control, no extra hassle. Drop a comment if you're primed to witness the ASUS TUF Gaming AS2000 Plus crush those chains. Behold the beast, ASUS TUF Gaming AS2000 Plus, your battle-ready portable M.2 NVMe PCIe Express SSD with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 blasting 2,000 megabytes per second speeds that torch transfer woes for gamers and creators alike. Since the surge as a touring gamer offloads 2 terabytes PS5 libraries in a flash, editing 4K clips on-site without a stutter, shielded by MIL STD810H drop resistance and IP68 water or dust armor. Or that field videographer, dunked in a stream, yet emerging unscathed. Aluminum alloy chassis glowing warm from the thermal pads whisper quiet cooling, keeping peaks steady through marathon raids. It's a 77 grams Titan for PCs, Macs, Xbox, PlayStation, bundled with NTI Backup Now EZ for ironclad saves and SSD Dashboard for health glances. Here's how it rescued a pro. No throttling during a 500 gigabytes dust storm dump. Linger for the bonus hack. Tweak dashboard alerts to preempt heat spikes. This isn't storage, it's your armored ally, humming resilience in every rugged pulse, playfully mocking lesser drives as they wilt. Savor the shift. Efficiency ignites with 2,000 megabytes per second zipping game assets across consoles or laptops. Focus sharpens SNS thermal dips. Performance roars via this portable SSD's IP68 fortress against spills and shocks. An analyst captured it. It bridges speed and ruggedness perfectly for fieldwork where survival's key. A tech influencer raved. IP68 lets me edit in rain. Game changer for on-location 4K. Users pile on. One gamer shared. Dropped from desk to tile? Flawless. Speed stayed blazing for my library swaps. Another designer beamed. Transferred 500 gigabytes steady. No slowdowns. Aluminum stays just warm, proving the thermal pad's magic. Thousands geek over its MIL SSD toughness, NTI software slashing backup blues, and wide compatibility ditching adapters. Felt that grippy silicone urging epic quests? Lightly controversial. Why settle for wimpy rivals when this tough beast fits your palm like destiny? See the hype exploding. Which perk powers your play? The drop-proof grit or heat-slaying pad? Comment below for a stealth cooling tip. Hypnotic rush? Raw, unyielding velocity wrapped in warrior steel. Stocks evaporating quick. Thousands of gamers and pros have armored up with the ASUS TUF Gaming AS2000 Plus. Experts hail its thermal edge. Users tout drop survival tales. If slow, breakable drives drag you down, this ignites your edge. Snag it now through USB-C Glory and reveal the exclusive SSD Dashboard tweaks for God-tier monitoring. Comment yes for a backup ninja trick. Don't just watch. Dive in and fortify your workflow today.